Day 7 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. Okay, guys, we're in day 7. We done made it through a week. I know a lot of people ain't even think we would make it this far, but we gonna keep going. You know, it's only a week. That ain't nothing to be excited about. So let's start with, see what we're doing today. We're gonna start with question number 14, longest common prefix. The difficulty level is easy. We should get this through this pretty quickly, easy, fast. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Run that engagement up for me, so we could get this page going somewhere and I could keep dropping these videos. So let's see what the question says. It says, write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. The example 1, it says input strs equals an array of strings, flower, flow, and flight. The output is FL. The output is FL because all three of these words start with FL. Now you might look at flower and flow and you say, well, they both start with FLOW. However, the word flight does not start with FLOW, so FL, the O and the W, they didn't make the cut. It does not have it is not included in the common prefix of all the words. The only common prefix right here, that in example 1 that all of the words include, is FL. So the output is FL. Let's look at example 2. It says input strs equals dog, race car, and car. The output is a blank string. There is no common prefix among the input strings. You see, because all of the words dog, race car, and car, they all start with a different letter, so they have no common prefix. So let's see how we're going to solve this. First thing, since it says if there's no common prefix, return an empty string. First thing we're going to do is we're going to say, we're going to say if strs is empty, return an empty string. It's that simple, right? And then we want the common prefix, right? So we're going to declare a variable called common, and that is going to be strs. And we're going to put that like that right there. You feel me? Going boo bop bit bang ah. See what I'm saying? We about to make this thing come to life. Then we're gonna say for word in strs, right? We'll say if word does not have prefix common. So if it does not have the common prefix that we're looking for, we're going to say common now equals, we'll convert it into a string. We'll say common, we want to drop last because we want to drop those last characters that are not part of the common prefix, right? And then we're going to come down here and we're going to say return common. See, that wasn't that hard. Now let's see what happens when we run it. Ooh, it says wrong answer, right? I think that's because we need to turn this if into a while. And yeah, you guys should plug this in or write this down on a piece of paper and see how it works. So while, it's not if, it's while. So that means we needed to keep looping until it's done, which is important to know. So boom, here it goes, accepted. Now let's submit it and see what happens. But yeah, you really need to understand and internalize how these codes work and what they're actually doing to get the answers that they're getting. And there we go. Solution accepted. We did better than yesterday. That's all we can ask for. Until tomorrow, guys. I'll talk to you then.